All this time I felt so lost and needed help, incomplete, out of reach, alone all by myself. It all becomes so clear when I see your face, and it's only when you're near I feel I'm safe. So before we take this road, before you change my mind and fill my heart with hope, help me to believe this time I've been torn apart, desperately trying to find a way back to my home so I can love again. Help me to love again. I'm so tired of holding on, so tired of waiting. I need to feel something real without it breaking.